One might argue that budget formats, like forms of government, are less important than how well they're administered. There's an important difference with budget formats. They not only establish rules, but they also create standards of success. When we speak of budget formats, we're talking about the way in which budgeting information is structured, the kind of information that is required to justify requests, and the kinds of questions that are asked during the process. For the purposes of this discussion, we'll focus on line item budgeting, program budgeting, performance budgeting, and zero-based budgeting as distinctly separate formats. In practice, most jurisdictions use several of these formats as part of their process. Line item budgeting is technically known as object code or expenditure code budgeting. The major categories of expenditure, personnel, materials and supplies, and capital outlay are assigned code numbers. Because of its high value in promoting financial accountability, line item or object code budgeting has become the most durable and commonly used budget format throughout the public sector. Line item budgeting forms the base of many types of financial analysis. Planning, programming, budgeting systems, and program budgeting organize the traditional categories of expenditures used in line item budgets into larger units of activities. The purpose of program budgeting, as the name suggests, is to highlight the units of activity that object codes support. Planning constitutes the essence of program budgeting. The planning process encourages administrators to ask, what are we trying to accomplish? Performance budgeting relies on a measurement of past results as an important consideration in the allocation of future budget resources. The results can consist of workload, efficiency, or effectiveness measures. Performance budgeting has obvious advantages, especially to managers who need some way of determining what's being accomplished with the money they're receiving. But there are many units of government that find it difficult to measure outcomes, especially in the short run. Zero-based budgeting encourages managers and elected officials to ask a fundamental question that seldom gets answered in the budget-making process. Should we continue doing what we've done in the past? In theory, zero-based budgeting forces managers to justify their budgets from the ground up. Since the creation of line item budgeting, there have been repeated attempts to supplement it with other budgeting formats. A blending of budget formats is necessary to assure the government is fully accountable with meeting multiple standards of performance.